Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable text-to-speech within your chat on the Overwatch 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Overwatch 2 on your device, and after you are logged in, you will be taken into the homepage. Now, from the homepage, if you wish to enable text-to-speech within your chats, then click on the menu icon at the top right corner. From here, click on Options, and now within the Options page, click on Accessibility at the top. This will now show you various different options, including the text-to-speech at the very beginning. Set this option to on, and now you can also choose the voice engine that will be used. After selecting the voice engine, you can also set the volume as well as the playback rate. You can play the sample to listen to how the voice that you have selected sounds, and there are also various other advanced settings. From this, you can equip various different voices to different kinds of messages within your game. After making your desired changes, make sure to save it, and then you can now go back and start playing your game with your text-to-speech enabled. And if you wish to change this setting at any point of time in the future, you can go back to the menu page and from the options, go into accessibility and simply turn this off. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable text-to-speech within your chats on the Overwatch 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.